Okay, everyone, I want to go ahead and do a little extra video on this car right here. Went ahead, got a brand new carburetor, got a new fuel pump for this car, a new radiator, but I'm not going to put it in this video segment. We're just going to get it running and see how well it runs and how bad it knocks. So let's follow along and hopefully it won't blow up. Okay, here we are. We are working on the car again. As you can see, the thermostat's out. I'm just running water through it right now, just trying to flush out the block. We're going to take that carburetor off. We got a new fuel pump to go on it as well, because the fuel pump was leaking, so we're going to put the new fuel pump on, run the line, put the new carburetor on, and we're going to see if that helps it out any. Hopefully it will. Okay, the first order of business, get this whole radiator out. Now to the fuel pump. Fuel pump's mounted right here on the side of the block. I've got this line right here that runs up, goes to the carburetor, and there's a line that runs down. From here, there's right beside it a line that runs over into the frame right over here for the gas filler. But this isn't hooked up. It's just hooked into just a hose that I'm going into the fuel jug with. So I ain't got to worry about that. So I'm just going to take this one right here loose, take those two bolts out, and go ahead and get that pulled off. So there's the old one. We've got it out. We ordered the exact same one. I went ahead and ordered a matching one, just like the original. So that'll go right into place. Right there is where we pulled it out. Gonna have to clean all that up right there. And we got some new gaskets to put on there. So go ahead and knock that out. All right, there we are. We all cleaned up. So now we can go ahead and put another gasket on there and get the fuel pump put back in place. So on this side, I wanted to check to see if it was pumping oil. And as you can see, there's oil all over the side. So we definitely getting oil to the top on this side. I went ahead and pulled this side off. It's oiling pretty good all the way down through here on this side. The other side's oiling good. So still got a little bit of a knock in it. And let's just go ahead and show you. This thing fires up, I mean, easily. Let's just hit it. Good hit it. Oh, we got it off. So, figure out exactly what that's about before I catch this thing on fire with all that oil.